This warning has been issued by the Toledo State Police Department. This is a reminder of the previous civil danger warning issued on October 15, 2025. We have some updates regarding the ongoing anomalies that are happening in some counties. Please pay close attention, it might save your life. The barricade that was placed around the local county has fallen. The mist has started to expand into neighboring counties. The pumpkin creatures have also spread across other counties that are close to the local county, and multiple people have also reported more zombie-like pumpkins appearing out of nothing. Please do not panic. If you see one of these creatures, do not approach it, do not reason with it. You may use anything for self-defense or call your local law enforcement. If we are unsuccessful at containing these creatures, then we will have to issue an evacuation. For now, stay vigilant. Lock your doors and windows as soon as you arrive to your home. If you see pumpkins with a zombie-like face, call the Anomaly Research Facility. You do not need to evacuate yet, but if you feel unsafe, you may leave. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.